Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and the sidekicks today for another video. Zena is right here. I'm not sure if you're going to see too much of her, but hopefully. And Wyatt is on the other side of the camera because he's totally thrown off by the fact that I'm in a different room. So that's just a bit much for him. But I'm Laura. Welcome to my channel. I do lots of unboxings, which I have a huge one for you today. Reviews and shopping hauls. If you like that sort of thing, please hit that subscribe and hang out for the long haul. We'd love to have you join the happy crew. All right, so as I mentioned, I have a huge unboxing for you today. I am so excited about this. This is the Spring Decocrated box. Oh, I love spring and summer. I love spring because it means summer's coming. That is my favorite time of year. What do you think, Z? Zena wants to say hi and bye because she's getting nervous. I've got a big box to open. So I cannot wait to see what spring home decor goodies that Decocrated has in this box for us. So excited. And I get to give you all the spoilers. All right, let's dig right in. If you are new to Decocrated, this is a home decor seasonal subscription. They do an amazing job keeping their collections cohesive so they flow from season to season, which I love. They will throw some seasonal specific things in there, but for the most part, a lot of these pieces will be cohesive from all year round. I have pieces around my house that I have kept all year around. And I will add some pictures at the end of this video of how I decorated with these pieces I received in the box, so do stay tuned till the end. Okay, for the quarterly subscription is $79.99. There is a special going on right now for 20% off, which comes to around $15.99, $16 that you will get off if you sign up now. That is a limited time only, but I'll put my code down below in case you want to take advantage of that. If you use my code, you'll get $10 off. So if the 20% is no longer good, I do have a $10 code, which is littleboxo happy 10. For $10 off a quarterly subscription. The annual subscription is littleboxo happy 30, and you'll get $30 off if you sign up for the full year. For the 20% off, my code is little_box_of_happy, but I'll put all that down below. You don't have to remember it. All right, but as I said, seasonal, stylish home decor delivered right to your door on a seasonal basis. They do have add-on boxes as well, which is a member perk, which they do 4 times a year. So there's a Christmas box, a Halloween box, a Easter box, which I have, which is coming next, as well as a patriotic box, which comes out in the summer. All right. They have, once you are a member, they also have a community, a Facebook community where you can get tips, tricks, picks, and other fun ideas as well. All right, and it is unbelievable how creative people can get with these pieces. I absolutely love it. Here's what I see when I first open my box. So you do get a pamphlet with an amazing array of information in it, and you always get new art by the artist of the season. So look how pretty this is. I see right off the bat. It's so pretty. And it's transitional, so it has a picture on the other side as well. This one has a saying, "May the flowers remind us why the rain was so necessary." I like that for spring. Very pretty. All right. This is the pamphlet I was talking about. There is so much information inside this box that tells you all about the pieces that you will receive in this box, as well as how to decorate with them. There's also the story of Decocrated, so you can learn more about them. It talks to you about their Decocrators. And the feature artist is Kim Nevo. I hope I'm saying her name right. And she was born and raised in Miami. So she must have designed this I just showed you, and we'll see what other pieces, if anything. Okay. They always give a style sheet, which I love in the book, that talks about why they pick the colors. So I like this. It says, "Shake off those winter blues and spring into a season of renewal and new life. Bouquets of lush pinks and vibrant blue blossoms as the world becomes full of color and new memories. Embrace the beauty that spring has to offer and spend time with one another on days touched by sunshine." Oh, I love that. Okay. let's dig in. I'm going to turn this sideways so it doesn't try to push me right off of my spot here. Right off the bat, I see a new pillow covering. Love the pillow coverings. They're such an easy way to swap out your decor. Oh, this is cute. Look how pretty this is. If I can hold it up here for you. Here's a closer look. So it's got the sunflower, the dahlia, the hyacinth, the little bumblebee. Is that a dragonfly? Butterfly? I think that's a bee. Cute, right? It's solid on the other side. I almost want to call that a Tiffany blue-green. Pretty. And this is very, very soft on this side. I don't know if you can see that material. Incredibly soft. All right, that's the first item. This matches my, or at least goes with my blanket back here, my throw. All right, let me see what it says. The Spring Pillow, a bouquet of seasonal delight. It was designed by the feature artist I mentioned before. Flip it and reverse it. That's right, our Spring Pillow embodies versatility to the fullest. This double-sided pillow features spring florals on one side and a velvety fabric in robin's egg blue on the other. Awesome. And here's two ways they have it styled, and they do say a style tip is create a lush bouquet for your end table that complements the beauty of the spring pillow. And here's how they have it designed on that chair with the little bouquet. And here it is on the couch with the other side. Next up, this is light, but in a decent sized box. What might this be? It smells nice. It smells very woody. Yeah. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so this is the Spring Planter. Look how pretty that is. In this fun little cherry holder. So this says, tired of placing your plants in just an ordinary pot? Our metal planter can spruce up any room that needs a little extra something with a matching cherry wood finish. This planter can hold anything from a bouquet from your local farmer's market to a cute tabletop plant for that perfect floral accent. It's not pretty. And this is lightweight. I like the detail around the side with the little dots and lines here, little divots all the way around it. Love the color in this blue, like a cornflower blue. Isn't that pretty? And then it sits inside this nice little wood holder. Just adds some extra detail. Love that. And they have it decorated here beside a little bench. That looks pretty, but they also have it on top of it looks like a desk. And they even have it in a bathroom. A couple other places here. Looks really pretty with the yellows and oranges, doesn't it? So pretty. All right. Next. There's usually around 6 or 7 items, and it's just enough so that you're not overwhelmed with decor, and it gives your home just a little bit of that spruce up where it looks refreshed. Oh, these are pretty. Okay, this is fun. This is a little stack of books. What do you think of this? How fun is that? Just a little stack of books you could place just about anywhere, any room. It says collect beautiful moments. And you can move them, so you can stand them up, set them down, pull them apart, but they're all tied together, but this moves so you can take them out of there if you wanted to. You could paint them, make them a different color if you wanted to. I like them. You could even change the sayings if you really wanted to get creative. They also have a deco shop. So for members only, they have a shop where you can look at all kinds of other inventory that they have. And they offer discounts for that as well at times. Okay, it says the stack of books. If your living room is adorned with bookshelves and the occasional book you'll relish in this piece, our faux stack of books can be placed as a minimal accent to your coffee table. Not to mention, painted on the side of the faux stack is collect beautiful moments. So they show it on a shelf here and over here. And the pieces that they're using around it are generally pieces from other collections. Like this is the little calendar from the winter collection. And so this is from, yeah, this is from the Christmas box. So pretty. Okay, I love that too. So I'm already trying to think how I'm going to decorate with these pieces so that I can add some pictures for you. But this feels like a nice refresh. Oh, picture frame. Okay, so this is a fun little picture frame to hold the artist's picture that I showed you in the very beginning. So in one of their earlier boxes, if you had joined, I think it might have been one of their very first ones, they used to send a frame. So I think people loved that. So I think they've added one back in. Cute, right? And this one's thick on the bottom, so you could stand this up or you can hang it. It does have a hanger in the back. And then you can just clip this in, or any picture that you wanted. Fun. The art print, which I didn't read to you, it says, designed to deliver a breath of fresh air into your home, this double-sided postcard can stand out in any nook you place it in. One side features a floral print that will add a touch of romance, while the other features the quote, adorned with flowers. So that's what they said about the print. And then the clip frame, it's called. Our Go Anywhere clip frame is not only a subtle addition to your home, but it is also adaptable. Whether you want to add a dash of spring on your living room mantle or want to put the finishing touches on your bathroom wall, the clip frame can hang anything you desire. The cherry wood finish isn't bad to look at either. So here's how they have it in this picture. And sitting here on a shelf. Over here too. Love that. I love that you could just put any picture, your favorite picture, you could swap it out and continuously just swap up the picture for that. We still have a few more pieces here, or a couple more, two more. Next up is the floral set. Look how pretty these are. So there is 2 wall hangings. This is the first one. I think it might be thick enough you could stand them up as well, but they can hang. I like that it's so simplistic. This is the second one. I think these are both very pretty. You can put them together or hang them, you know, separately, but they even look pretty together. And these are called, yeah, the floral set. It says our set of wood frames come paired with a delicate black and white floral print. The frames can be hung to work as an accent to your space or sitting on the mantle in your living room. Either way, you can't go wrong with this delightful duo. The style tip is, have you been to our shop? Get yourself some new shelves to recreate this beauty. And they have it in several places here. So these are both pieces from prior boxes, but that looks like a cute little set. Here's another one. And I like it hung diagonally. I think these are like that the best diagonally, but that looks pretty together too. All right. And I have one more. This one's heavy. This one's heavy. All right, we're going to move the box because these pieces are also pretty. Hopefully you guys can see these. Oh my. Check this out. All right, so this comes with instructions. And I believe that this is a wood runner. And we'll see what this is in just a moment, but let me get it uncovered for you to see how pretty this is. It's very solid. This is very solid. The weight of the box was pretty much this. Check this out. Bends in half. It's a wood runner. Here's the other side. How cool is that? You could put this in the center of your table to elevate items. You could do a lot with this. I have to think about this one. This is fun. I like the little gray design. Can you guys see that? I'm going to fold it in half just so I can get it back into view for you. You see that? And see how it's kind of angled when you fold it in half? That is so cool. So let me just set this here for a moment and see what it says. It says the wood runner. Oh, they have it on a coffee table with the books and everything. Look how cute that looks. Looking to add a hint of boho chic to your space? Our wood runner tray will do the trick. Made with a whitewash finish and a minimalistic pattern, our wood runner tray is a sturdy addition to your home. I love it. It's so different. They show it here on a dining room table too, in the middle. Fun, right? That is so fun and easy to store. You can fold it up and still store it. Love. This was such a fun collection. All right, let's see what this does real quick. It might be to lock it in place, I bet. Let me see here. Runner pedestal tray instructions. So locate the locking block. That's exactly what it is. So this is the locking block, and then you put it right in here to lock it. Cool. That way you don't have to worry about it like folding on anyone and nobody getting hurt. So this goes in there, and there is a bolt right here, and you just screw it right in. Cool. That is so fun. And that's all my pieces. What did you guys think? I'm loving the spring. I think this is a fun way to add some freshness to my home decor. But I can't wait to hear what you guys think. Tell me, what's your favorite piece here? Oh, I can't pick. I love this. I think the little planter is adorable. I don't know if I'll put real flowers in it, or because I think I'd put faux flowers in it. I'm thinking it'd get really colorful. I love that they're making their art so that it can stand and not always hang, because sometimes I just want to set something on one of my shelves and not have to actually put holes in my walls. So I love that they've been doing that. I think this little collection of books is just adorable for a coffee table or anywhere. And I like the sayings. This is just a great idea with the running board. I'm glad they did do this too, because I would like to swap this out myself for just family pictures. And yeah, I always love a pillow. My family thinks I'm crazy, especially when it comes to summer and spring, like the fun, bright pillows. My family's always making fun of me when it comes to how many pillows I have. I love them. They just bring the bright, I think. All right, that is my Decocrated for spring box. Stay tuned. I'm going to add some pics at the end here of how I decorated with these items. Can't wait to get started. I've got ideas swirling right now, but I would love to hear how you guys would decorate with these items. What fun ideas do you have? And coming soon, stay tuned for next week, because I'll be bringing you the Easter box. Yay! All right. I will put all the information for Decocrated down below, the 20% off coupon for the quarterly, as well as the $10 off coupon for the quarterly, and also the $30 if you want to sign up for the entire year. I'm so glad you spent time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I always have fun with Decocrated. I love bringing the fresh touches to my home decor every season. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hang out for that long haul and hit that subscribe button so I can continue to bring you videos just like this one. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.